After a long hiatus from video making, I'm back at it with this new episode where we arrive in Utila, one of the Bay Islands of Honduras. Utila is known for its youthful scuba diving culture and laid-back vibe, but we aren't divers, so we wanted to see what else this island had to offer. We go in search of epic views on Pumpkin Hill and discover some unexpected gems along the way. I've dreamt of taking off in a sailboat to cruise the world for as long as I can remember, and now that dream is coming true. In the previous episode, Jeff and I left the tiny key of Ranguana in Belize at 10 p.m. to embark on a 13-hour overnight passage to Utila. The Bay Islands lie just north of mainland Honduras and consist of 3 primary islands, Utila, Roatan, and Guanaja. We had heard that Utila is the easiest one to check into, so we made that our first stop. Well, it's about 6:30 in the morning. We're on our way to Utila from Belize, and it was blowing, what, 28?
Yeah, last time I was able to stand up there and see the thing.
Yeah, it's been an interesting night, a sporting night. Let's put it that way. I don't think either of us slept. And it's, the waves are just kind of going all over the place. Period's really short, so you've got like 5 or 6 foot waves and and like a 4-second period or something ridiculous like that. But the wind's just been coming from the north. We've been on pretty much a beam reach all night, but we've got waves coming from both sides of the boat, and then they cancel each other out, and then sometimes they stack up and make really big ones. And so we're all tied in. We have our life jackets on and our tethers on, tethered to the table.
Got like part of one sail up.
Yeah, we've got a reefed jib up, and that's it. Going 6 knots. We had the full jib up, and then we were going 8, and we felt like that was a little too fast with these waves. So we slowed her down, and I think we still have another 5 hours to go.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. That's it for now.
Been a long night. Had strong winds, big waves, and but we made good time, and we are approaching Utila. It's a cloudy morning. We're tired, but looking forward to seeing a new place. We're getting tossed around a bit, but I think it's about to smooth out.
Over here. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the approach for Bush's grocery store. And it's also just the general dinghy dock if you want to go wander around town, which is what we're going to do. This place is cute. Well, that looks cool up there. Closed. There's no power right now, so we can't do anything, but look. 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 laundry. Cheap. Cheap laundry. I can get a massage.
Another laundry up here.
Now we know where the bells come from.
Yeah.
Bonitas. Some chicharrones. So, everywhere we go, we can get these free candies. It's a happening spot. We're out of Utila. We're going to rent a golf cart. And then this is a must stop for breakfast. Camilla's Bakery. We're out exploring Utila. We rented a golf cart and we just had to stop and take in this really beautiful place. This is more on the interior of the island, and there's all these, I think they're farms, but right here there are so many butterflies. They seem to love these pink and orange flowers. Anyway, it's just so beautiful here. I wasn't sure what I thought from the water. You really just can't see that much of a place from the water. And once you go on the interior, then you really get to see what a place is like. And most of Utila doesn't seem to have any roads. So we have this golf cart and we can only go on, I think it's the western corner of it. But anyway, we're trying to go up to Pumpkin Hill and get a higher level view of the place. So we'll see up there. We're making our way up Pumpkin Hill, I think. We're following this path in our golf cart, which is kind of a four-wheel drive. Not a four-wheel drive, but like an ATV kind of golf cart, I think.
A bumpy kind of a golf cart.
It has no suspension though, so it's a little rough. Alright, there's our trail. It's pretty steep. We're gonna make our way up this thing. I am completely out of breath and I haven't even gone 100 feet. We are out of shape. Oh, nice view. Oh. Well, it was worth it. I am clearly out of breath and out of shape.
Really? You had a hard time with that?
I did. My legs are burning.
Oh, wow.
You?
No. A little bit winded, but not bad.
Oh, man. We are definitely in the jungle. Oh, this is really quite beautiful. Oh, that tree is amazing. These crazy root balls. Beauty, beauty everywhere. It's one of the cool things about traveling everywhere on your own boat is that you go to places that you probably never would go, you know, on a regular vacation. I mean, unless you're like a diehard diver, people just don't usually come here. But going inland to each of these different countries is really the key to getting to experience the culture and just what it's like in each country.
Wow, look at this.
So we were
exactly like any town we've seen before.
no,
You climb
not.
up a tube.
Oh, is that what's
Yeah,
going on
climb
here?
up the inside in a tube,
Oh,
and then you come out up there on a platform.
are we going up the tube?
Of course we're going up the tube.
All right, you first.
But, all right, let's see what this is about.
This is the canary in the coal mine. It's going in
Right.
first.
Very new experience here.
Totally claustrophobic.
It doesn't seem as claustrophobic once you're in here because there's light coming down. It does take a bit of strength though.
All right. Woo. I guess I'm going in after him. I think I might wait till he's up. I'm gonna climb up that.
If you get tired, just push your back against the wall.
Okay. We're up here with the birds. Here we are at the top, and
Feeling a little nervous?
yeah, I'm ready to go down. I don't know what it is. I swear I feel like it's blowing in the wind, but
Yeah, it is moving a little bit. It's a little bit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't like it.
We're just standing at the top of this. I don't know how tall this thing is. Over 100 feet. And
Yeah.
It's just a tube.
It's just a tube and a little platform, and we probably have sea legs, which is making it feel like we're moving. I think it might be more that than the thing actually moving.
I think it is moving a little,
Okay.
but not much.
All right. I'm going down first.
Okay.
Well, here's Pumpkin Hill Beach. It's pretty sad. Needs a little cleanup. Big cleanup. All this trash floating in the water. Everywhere. Combs and toothbrushes and sippy cups. Lots of plastic silverware. A lot of bottle caps. A lot of bottle caps. So I always think about the trash on the beaches and how when you go to these beautiful resorts, they rake the beaches so you never have to see the trash. And I just wonder what people would do if they actually did see what the beaches really look like, right? Like maybe be more inspired to stop using single-use plastics and find other ways to live your life without as much packaging, or at least speak up to the companies that continue to sell their products wrapped and overwrapped. But it's my 2 cents. This is how you chillax on Bondo Beach in Utila.
Looks like one of those commercials.
Yeah, here's my
Corona commercial. What's the sound? They have the sound of the top coming off, right?
Yeah, and like the lime squeezing or something.
Yeah.
Psst, psst, psst.
Or they should just use this for the next commercial.
Yeah.
This conversation.
This conversation and my sound effects.
They should at least pay us.
Thank you for watching our videos. If you enjoyed yourself, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.